Welcome everybody. Again we are at 7th standard workbook, unit number 5, geometry, worksheet 6. So if you like the video, please subscribe for new updates. We are at multiple choice question. Identify the diagram that does not contain linear pair of angle. These two, if we get 180 degree, it is a linear pair. Again both side 90 degree, it is 180 degree, it's a linear pair. But as you can see, the sum is 180 degree, but they do not form on the line, hence therefore this is not an linear pair. If it is 180 degree and forms on a line, it is always linear pair. This is also linear pair, but it is below the line. So the answer which is not is C. The measure of angle SQR in the given figure. As you can see, this is 80 degree. So you can see P is the pointed point. These three are parallel lines. T, R, S, Q are the intersecting lines. So you can see 80 vertically opposite angle is also 80. Since this is 30 degree, this is 80 degree. So PQR forms a triangle. So it should be 70. By this calculation, this angle becomes 70. So the angle here is SQR. So it becomes 70 degree. Okay, next we are coming to question number 3. Kanyan place two rods as shown in the figure. The measure of angle A is 120 degree. Then the measure of angle B. So angle A is 120 degree. So the sum of these two angles should be 180 degree. Hence therefore it has to be 60 degree. In the following figure, the sum of the angle formed by transversal is 720 degree. Then the value of each angle. So as you can see, there are total 8 angles are formed. So 8x equal to 720, x equal to 720 by 8, which is equal to 90 degree. Which among the following alphabet does not have transversal in it? So as you can see, it forms L. So as L forms, there is no two parallel lines. Hence it does not forms transversal. Rest of them, they have transversal as well as two parallel lines. Say true or false. The linear pair of angle always lie on a straight line. Yes. Linear pair is always lie on a straight line. As you can see these examples in question number 1, it forms straight line. All adjacent angles are linear pair of angles. This is false. The corresponding angles are equal when transversal is drawn on non-parallel lines. This is also false. Sum of co-exterior angle is supplementary. This is true. If AOB is equals to 31, BOC is equals to 78 are the adjacent angle with OB as common arc, then AOC is equals to 1119, because you can see it is 109, not 119, hence false. Now adjacent angle, so we are given adjacent angle, so adjacent angle is 360 degree. Linear pair of angles, it is supplementary. Supplementary means 180. Sum of vertically opposite angle, they have common vertex, they have arc, they are not overlapping. So transversal, so transversal forms 8 angles. Bisector, it divides into 2 equal halves. Next we are coming to the answers, short answers. So short answers means we have a glass window in which we are given two angles as 30 degree, rest of them are equal to x. So total there are 6x, so 30 plus 30 plus 6x equal to 180 degree, because angle formed on the line is 180 degree. So 6x equals to 180 minus 60, so 6 equal to 120. So each angle of x is 20 degree. So we are known with the angle x, y, z. So in the diagram below, so first question asks is what is y, what is x and what is z. So 80 is equal to 80 and 80 equal to 80, hence therefore the linear pair of z is 100. So z equal to 100. So as you can see 60 and y, it forms a z which is vertically opposite angle 60 and y. So y is equal to 60, alternate interior angle. So for angle x and 110 makes it sum of two co-interior angles is 180 degree. So x equal to 70 degree. When the clock shows the time 4 am, the angle between the hour hand and the minute hand is 120 degree. When the time is 5 am, the angle between hour hand and minute hand is 150 degree. Find the angle moved by hour hand. So angle at 4 am is 120 degree, angle at 5 am is 150 degree. So the angle moved in 1 hour is 30 degree. This, because this you can consider by yourself, it is just in 50 degree. Thank you. Please subscribe for the video. Thank you.